kissing the Quran. We see a lot of people after reading the Quran, they close it and they kiss it. And some of them even prostrate on it. So they do this and they do this. Excuse me, where did this come from? This is all not part of Islam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Islam is all about adab. According to Hanafi, Shafi, Hanbali fiqh, it's allowed to and permissible to kiss our holy Quran out of respect, because it's reported that Sayyiduna Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu every morning used to take our holy Quran and kiss it and said, "This is covenant of my Allah and his message to me." And it's also narrated that Sayyiduna Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu used to kiss our holy Quran and whip it over face. The great scholar Imam Nawawi rahimahullah said, the Musnad of Darimi and with authentic chain, that means a golden chain, it's narrated from Abu Mulaika rahimahullah, a great mufassir, students of Sahaba, Hazrat Ikrima rahimahullah, take our holy Quran and kiss it and use on his face. However, Islam is all about adab. May Allah protect our Muslim ummah from misguided scholars. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.